Welcome to Beautyistic, where we make beauty decisions a lot easier. Today, let's talk about a lip product that's all about bold statements, introducing the Lord & Berry MAXIMATTE Lip Crayon in Soul. If you're someone who loves vibrant color and a smooth, long-lasting finish, this one's definitely worth considering. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive in. The Lord & Berry MAXIMATTE Lip Crayon promises a striking, intense color payoff with a sensorial matte finish. It's designed to glide effortlessly onto your lips for a smooth and soft feel, while its matte texture aims to stay put throughout the day. Perfect for anyone who loves quick application and portability, this product claims to deliver a high-impact lip look with minimal fuss. Whether you're a fan of bold, rich shades or prefer an easy swipe of color for daily wear, this crayon covers all bases. So how did it actually perform in real life? Well, I've tested this lip crayon multiple times, applying it at different times of the day and in various situations. First off, I love how easy it is to use. The crayon glides on effortlessly, no tugging or pulling at the lips. The formula is quite creamy, so it feels soft and moisturizing, but without that greasy feeling that some matte lipsticks tend to leave behind. And let's talk about the color payoff. It's intense. One swipe delivers rich, vibrant color that's perfect for a dramatic lip. The shade Soul is a beautiful, deep red, which works well for both day and night looks. Now let's discuss the matte finish. It's soft, not overly dry like some matte products can be. It holds up pretty well throughout the day, but I did notice it does need a little touch-up after meals. Still, it's much better than many other matte lipsticks I've tried in terms of comfort and smoothness. On to the pros and cons. The biggest pro here is definitely the color payoff and ease of application. You get a beautiful, intense lip color without a lot of effort, which is a huge win for those on the go. The crayon is compact, so it's easy to carry around in your bag and apply quickly without a mirror. Perfect for those quick touch-ups during the day. Another big plus is that it doesn't feel drying, which can be a deal breaker for many matte formulas. As for the cons, while the formula is comfortable, I did notice a slight transfer, especially if you're eating or drinking. It's not a deal breaker for me, but if you're someone who prefers a completely transfer-proof product, this might not be your go-to. Another downside is the need for frequent touch-ups after meals, but honestly, most matte lipsticks have this issue. When it comes to value for money, I'd say the Lord & Berry MAXIMATTE Lip Crayon is fairly priced, considering the quality and the intense pigmentation you get. It's a great product for anyone looking for a high-performance matte lip crayon that doesn't compromise on comfort. However, if you're on a tight budget, there are alternatives that could be worth looking into, but that they may not provide the same level of pigmentation and smoothness. Build quality is solid. The crayon itself is sturdy and easy to sharpen when needed, and the packaging feels nice without being overly bulky. As far as longevity goes, the product does last for a good few hours, though you may need a touch-up after meals or drinking, especially if you're wearing a rich shade like Soul. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. I didn't have a need to contact customer service for this particular product, but Lord & Berry has a good reputation for responding quickly to customer inquiries. As for alternatives, if you're looking for a more affordable option, I'd suggest checking out NYX's Soft Matte Lip Cream, which offers a similar matte finish and vibrant colors at a lower price point. However, you may sacrifice a bit of comfort for the price. To wrap up, I'd say the Lord & Berry MAXIMATTE Lip Crayon in Soul is a solid choice for anyone looking for a high-impact matte lip color. The pigmentation is great, the application is easy, and the formula is surprisingly comfortable for a matte. It's perfect for those who need a lipstick that delivers intense color and stays in place with minimal fuss. If you don't mind a bit of transfer and are okay with a few touch-ups, this product is definitely worth trying. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check the description or comments for the link to purchase. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.